In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your TurboTax return back to free after you've already started. If you began your return in a paid TurboTax version and realized your situation fits the free option, there's a built-in way to move back. The key idea is that you must restart the return in the free product, and you need to do it before you pay or file. Also, keep in mind that TurboTax Free is designed for simple tax situations. If your return requires forms outside the free scope, the software will prompt you to upgrade again. Here's how to switch back. First, sign in and open your current tax return. On the left-hand menu, look for the Tools section. Choose the option that lets you start over, then confirm that you want to clear your return. This removes your entries so you can select a different TurboTax product. After you confirm, you'll be guided back through the initial setup screens. When you reach the product selection, choose the free version. From there, continue as normal. As you re-enter your information, be mindful of anything that triggers a paid upgrade. Add-ons like extra protection packages or live tax help are optional and will move you out of free. Similarly, certain forms, such as those for self-employment, rental property, or other complex situations, aren't included in the free edition. If you see an upgrade prompt, that's a sign your return includes a form not supported by free. In that case, you can remove that item if it doesn't apply, or proceed with the upgrade if it does. A few important notes. If you've already paid, registered certain benefits, or completed steps that lock in your product, you may not see the option to clear and start over. It's best to switch back before entering add-ons or checking out. Also, don't import prior year data or third-party documents until after you've confirmed you're in the free product, since some imported items can add forms that require upgrading. Once you're back in the free version, take it slow and only enter what you actually need. Stick to basic income forms and standard credits you know apply to simple returns. Review the summary at the end to confirm there are no unexpected add-ons or upgrades. To recap, open your return, use the clear and start over option, select the free edition during setup, and re-enter only the information that qualifies for a simple return. That's the cleanest way to move from a paid TurboTax path back to free without surprises.